In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to create an event on a Wix website using Wix Studio. This is perfect if you're hosting an online event, a workshop, a meetup, or even a ticketed in-person event, and you want everything set up professionally on your site. We'll go through the full process, from accessing the Wix editor to adding the Wix Events app so you can start managing events easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. Log into your Wix account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, select the website where you want to create your event. This will open the Wix Studio editor for that specific site. Take a moment to make sure you're editing the correct website, especially if you manage multiple Wix projects. Next, look to the left-hand side of the Wix Studio editor. Here, you'll see a vertical menu with different options. Click on the App Market option. This is where Wix allows you to add powerful apps and features to your website, including tools for events, bookings, stores, and more. Once the App Market opens, go to the search bar at the top. Click into it and type the word Events. As you type, Wix will automatically start showing you relevant apps. Look for the official Wix app called Wix Events and Tickets. This is the app you'll use to create, manage, and display events on your website. Now, click on Wix Events and Tickets. You'll see an overview of what the app can do, including creating events, selling tickets, managing RSVPs, and syncing events with your site pages. To continue, click the Add to Site or Open button depending on what you see. Wix will now install the app and connect it to your website. After the app opens, Wix Events will guide you through the setup process. From here, you can start creating your first event by choosing whether it's an online event or a physical in-person event. You'll be able to add event details like the event name, date, time, location, description, and images. You can also configure ticket options, pricing, and registration settings if needed. Once your event details are saved, Wix will automatically add event pages to your website. These pages allow visitors to view event information, register, or purchase tickets directly from your site. You can customize the design of these pages using the Wix editor, so they match your brand and website style. Before publishing, make sure to preview your site to check that the event displays correctly and that all buttons and links work as expected. When you're happy with everything, click Publish to make your event live on your Wix website. And that's it! You've successfully created an event on your Wix website using Wix Studio and the Wix Events app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.